out to Māori whānau. East Coast salute from AZEE. Yeah, I get asked a lot about making money online, mainly Facebook. How do you make money online? I've done a few of these videos. If you check out my YouTube, you'll see there's quite a few. But the basic gist of it is getting a following, doing whatever it is you do, attracting people to come watch it, hit the like. You need an artist page. You know, you can't run it off your normal page or personal one. It won't work. You need an artist page, or if you're a gamer, a gaming page. It's a like page anyway, you know, not a group. You know, not one where you have to ask admin to be a part of. You need a like page. And once you get 10,000 followers, not even 10,000 likes, it's 10,000 followers, which is a lot easier to get than likes. So your haters might click the old follow, but they won't click the like. So, you know, the following button, that's the key. Once you get your followers up, you can monetize videos. That's how Facebook works. 10,000 followers and you can actually start running adverts. You become a billboard for, you know, biscuit companies and Samsung and whatever, advertising. You become a bit of a tool. You know, they know you get watched a lot, so they'll pay you to put those ads on your videos. So to get my 10,000 up, I went about rapping. I went about showing videos of where I am, pictures. I wasn't getting paid for videos at the time. So I had to bring in my following, and I brought them in by putting in a lot of effort with my music and, you know, even the cooking vids. I pumped everything I could. And then once I had the 10,000, it was monetized. Then my focus became videos. I made sure there's probably going to be an ad on this video. So, yeah, 10,000 followers equates to getting advertising on your content. It's pretty simple. And on top of that, once you got 10,000 plus followers, you're even going to get sponsorship from other people with little businesses, and they want, you know, you to promote. See the chopping board / platter I just got sent over not long ago. You know, that's a win-win for me and the bro. I get an awesome piece of art. He gets a awesome promotion, and on the top of that, my video's got an ad on it. So I'm getting paid off the ad for that too. So, yeah, you become a giant billboard. But the key is getting that 10,000 followers up. Don't give up. Keep pumping out there, man. And if you're good at something, pump it. Even if you're not that good at something, keep pumping till you are. It's about, you know, perseverance, and a lot of haters out there, you know. But to be honest, for every 100 haters, there's a million people that are good-hearted people. So keep that in mind. Yeah, you attach your bank account and all that. It's easy as. Once Facebook, you just follow the options through the Creator Studio. Once you got 10,000 followers, it's an easy as process. They pay into your bank account every month. It's good stuff. But that's how I make money on Facebook, just Facebook. And if 10,000 followers seems too daunting a number for you, why not move over to YouTube and post your content on there? You only need 10 original videos to get monetized on YouTube. And I've been with YouTube probably 20 years. So for 20 years, every video I've posted on there has been passively earning me money in the background. And my numbers on there aren't that great, but because I've got such a big catalog, if you know you got 3 views a day on 1,000 videos, you got 1,000 videos and they only got 3 views a day, that's still 3,000 views a day. So sometimes the amount outdoes the quality. Quantity outdid the quality. So it's easier on YouTube to start and actually get a feel for how ads and advertising and that works. I'd really suggest starting there. If you want to make some money off your videos, your craft, you get at it, find out it's easier than people think. And put your heart on your sleeve, be you. Yeah, people will follow you for that even. Much love. East side salute from me and mine. I hope that helps. You know, anyone that's wondering how Facebook works with paying you. Have a solid day, fams.